Stop trying to get leads and do this instead. First, let me warn you. You want to know the fastest way to scare off a good lead? Treat them like one. Yep, that's it. The moment someone feels like they're a target, the trust has gone. Let me put it another way to you. If your marketing says things like, here's how I can help you, you're already chasing them. So here's the shift I want you to think about. Give them the opportunity to share with you the truth of their situation, to identify what the real challenges, desires, problems they're facing, what they are. But don't offer to solve the problem. Just say something like, I hear this a lot from people all around the world in situations just like yours. I truly respect and appreciate where you're coming from. That's it. No pitch, no PDF, just a crack in the wall that lets trust start to sneak through. It's lead generation without the awkward bait. Stop being a hunter. Start being a mirror. That's how you'll get leads to lean into you, not pull away from you. On the screen there, you can see peterbeckenham.com/hello. Use that. Book a time to come and talk with me. Let me share with you some insights about you and your conversations with potential clients that can take you and your business to an area that maybe you never thought possible. I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.